Ever wondered what are the best healthy foods to pack for a trip? It's a question we've all pondered. Choosing the right snacks can make all the difference between feeling sluggish or staying energized. Stay tuned as we delve into a list of nutritious and travel-friendly foods that will keep you fit and energized on your journey. When you're on the go, nutrition is key. Remember, fueling your body with the right foods can make all the difference in your travel experience. Let's dive into some healthy food options that are not only nutritious, but also travel-friendly. First on the list are nuts and seeds. A handful of these will give you a great energy boost, thanks to their high protein content and healthy fats. Plus, they're easy to pack and don't require refrigeration. Next up, whole fruits. Apples, bananas, oranges. These fiber-rich foods will keep you full and satisfied. And the best part? They're nature's own portable snack, easy to toss in your bag and go. Protein bars can be a lifesaver when you're in a rush and don't have time for a proper meal. They're convenient, filling, and come in a wide variety of flavors. Just make sure to check the sugar content before you buy. Craving something crunchy? Baby carrots or other cut vegetables are your go-to. They're low in calories, full of vitamins, and perfect for munching on the move. Last but not least, Greek yogurt. High in protein and a good source of probiotics, it's a tasty and healthy choice. Just remember to keep it chilled. These options are not only healthy but also practical and convenient for any type of trip. To recap our culinary adventure, we've journeyed through a delightful array of healthy food choices essential for every traveler. We learned that even when we're far from home, maintaining a balanced diet is not just possible, it's remarkably enjoyable. By choosing wholesome foods, we fuel our bodies with the energy needed for our adventures and reap the benefits of improved health and vitality. Remember, staying healthy on the road is all about planning ahead and making smart food choices. So on your next trip, don't forget to pack these nutritious snacks.